our head's gonna get in.
I haven't either. I gave it to you because I want to have one while we It's all we have is a little thing like that. Oh, cool.
We're gonna get raccoons and
No, you
bears.
won't. No, you won't.
There's no people around. Look at this.
Harvey, there's people.
No, that's not as close as you guys are.
You got a bathroom.
Got a backpack. Oh my. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Did you bring that tarp, Dad, or did you bring that tarp?
In the back of my truck.
How good is that here?
I didn't think of it. Let me go get it.
Can you get that? I don't. Is he gonna pop out on me? Did somebody tell you? Were you expecting that? Yeah. Dad said you got one that you just...
Oh, Dad! Who said that?
You did.
When?
Today?
Dad! I did not.
You did too. Somebody did.
Dad! It wasn't me.
Barb.
Mom did then.
We really wanted to spook you.
I don't think I did, because I wasn't going to.
Because we told you not to.
I didn't think Mom knew I had it, because she asked me about...
No, they were there together. They were there together when we told them that we were going to buy it. She can't be a spy.
Alright. It's awesome, though.
We'll see how warm it is. And if we're going to keep us from raccoons.